ground and gather the rest of the gods around. They lived on Olympus with Zeus as their king.
Enough yapping, girl. It's time to sing.
No, honey, it may seem impossible.
Get ready to hear the true story of the greatest hero of all, Hercules.
Honey, you mean Huncules.
Fabulous story, ladies.
Meet Hermes, the messenger god.
And I've got a message for you. Okay, dig. To learn how to play, click on the question mark. To start the story, click on the arrow. Okay? So, what'll it be?
It's showtime.
Here we go.
Our story begins on a day of great joy because Hera and Zeus had a baby.
A boy.
They called the kid Hercules and loved him a lot. All the gods brought him gifts.
You should see what he got.
It's time for our gift, dear.
Oh, yes. A touch of Cirrus, and yes, a dash of cumulus. There! His name is Pegasus.
Apollo, god of light and music.
Keep life in harmony, kid.
Now click and drag the gift to Hercules. Aphrodite, goddess of love and beauty.
Always follow your heart.
Poseidon, lord of the sea, which explains the fishy smell.
The world is your oyster. Find the pearls.
Narcissus. Can you believe this cat fell in love with himself?
You must learn to love yourself.
So that you can better love others.
Athena, goddess of wisdom and a babe.
Know yourself, child, and you will know the world.
Bacchus, god of wine and revelry. Oh, can he party?
Take time to enjoy life, my boy.
Oh, I'm Hermes, the messenger god. The only message you should deliver is truth.
for the little sucker. Powerful take. This brat could ruin all my plans.
It was Hades, ruler of the underworld. Hades planned to take over Olympus one day.
But the fates told him Hercules would get in his way.
So he sent pain and panic to get rid of the kid, but to first make him mortal.
And that's what they did.
But their plan went wrong.
The kid was still strong.
Hercules was raised by a mortal mom and dad, so Zeus could only watch him grow up.
Ain't that sad?
A word of caution to this tale. Should Hercules fight, Hades will fail.
Look! A baby! The gods have answered our prayers.
Hercules was strong. He got stronger each week, but he felt out of place.
Girl, the kid was a geek. So when he went to town with his adoptive dad, things did not go so good.
Go so well.
Things went bad.
I got it, Pop.
Not yet, son. Now, please, just...
I know. Stay by the cart. Can I help?
Hercules! Oh, no! I've got it! Just run along, please!
Sorry.
Musclehead.
Let me help.
No, thank you, but no.
Sorry.
Gyros! Get your gyros! Submarine sandwiches!
Come on, Icarus! Throw the discus!
I'll keep your Pantheon. I'm throwing it already. I've got it.
This is the last straw!
Sorry.
He went to the temple of Zeus to find out if the gods could explain what his strength was about. And there on the statue, carved out of stone,
Check it out! A medallion!
just like his own.
Almighty Zeus, please hear me. Who am I? Where do I belong?
My little Hercules, my son.
You're my father?
Maybe Pegasus will jog your memory.
Oh, Pegasus!
To the stars.
That's Hades, Lord of the Dead and ruler of the underworld. That's Aphrodite, goddess of love and beauty. That's Poseidon, Lord of the Sea. That's Apollo, god of light and music.
Click again to go to a sing-along. And a 1 and a 2. Cool singing! If you want to hear the song again, click on the stage. Or click the return arrow to go back where you came from. Return.
Zeus told Hercules he began with the gods, not with men. So Herc wished to return to Olympus again.
But he couldn't go home to the place of his birth until he learned how to be a true hero on Earth.
But exactly how do I become a true hero?
First, you must seek out Philoctetes, the trainer of heroes.
I can do it. I know I can.
That's the spirit. I'll be watching you, son.
I won't let you down, Father!
Hercules flew to Hydra, where Philoctetes stayed.
The goat man trained heroes.
Hercules needed his aid, but Phil wouldn't do it.
No how, no way.
Until Zeus did some convincing.
And Phil said,
Okay.
I trained enough turkeys who never came true. You're my one last hope, so you'll have to do.
You won't be sorry, Phil.
Yeesh, this won't be easy.
Click again to go to a sing-along. And a 1 and a 2.
uphill slope. Keep pushing that envelope. You're my one last hope, and kid, it's up to you. Yeah!
Cool singing. If you want to hear the song again, click on the stage. Or click the return arrow to go back where you came from. Return.
Gotcha.
Rule number 96. Aim. We'll have to work on that. Good work, kid. You're ready for Thebes.
Hercules was out flying at low altitude when he spotted a centaur.
Half horse, half mean dude.
He was chasing Megara.
She was sweet.
So Hercules went to her aid.
And got swept off his feet.
Step aside, two legs.
Pardon me, sir, but release the young lady.
I can handle this.
Ah, madam, you may be too close to the situation to realize.
Get your sword, rookie!
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's gotta hurt.
Is Wonder Boy for real?
Whoa. I'm real too. Come on, kid! Use your head! All right!
Nice job, Wonder Boy.
My name's Hercules.
Well, thanks for everything, Herc. It's been a real slice. Bye-bye, Wonder Boy.
Bye. She's something. Isn't she, Phil?
Oh, yeah. Something, all right. Earth to Herc. Thebes is waiting.
In the woods where Meg and the animals were,
Nasty old Hades was waiting for her.
Meg didn't like him.
Girl, you're not kidding. But Hades controlled her.
So she did his bidding.
Meg, my little flower, I thought you were going to persuade the River Guardian to join my team for the uprising.
I was, but this guy named Hercules muscled his way in.
Hercules! Wasn't that the kid we were supposed to... Uh-oh.
So, you took care of him, huh?
And me without a marshmallow.
We are words!
Hey! That's Hades' game board? It's where he practices his plot to take over Mount Olympus. If you want to play, click on the board again. Hades won't mind. Not much.
As soon as Hades figures out how to get rid of Hercules, he'll beat Zeus and take over Mount Olympus. In the meantime, this is where he practices playing this game called checkers.
If you want to take your chances against the boss, click on Hades. If you want to play against a friend, click on me and Panic. If you want to hear the rules of the game, click on the question mark. So what'll it be?
Okay, now choose which level you want to play at. Good luck. Good luck, kid. You're on your own against Hades.
Wow, you got the Hydra.
I guess 3 heads aren't better than 1.
Mommy!
That's the last time Nessus nags us. We got Phil. Looks like the hero trainer is out of business.
Hey, I thought Hercules was the only one who could defeat the lion.
Oh! You got me!
Mommy?
Hades isn't gonna like another king moving in on his turf.
me! This isn't fun anymore!
Oh no! You got Hades! Watch out for the flames! Whoa! You got the sea monster! Anyone for fish sticks? Another king moving in on his turf!
Okay, you win! Another round?
In the woods where Meg and the animals were,
nasty old Hades was waiting for her.
Meg didn't like him.
Girl, you not kidding. But Hades controlled her.
So she did his bidding.
Meg, my little flower, I thought you were going to persuade the River Guardian to join my team for the uprising.
I was, but this guy named Hercules muscled his way in.
Hercules!
Wasn't that the kid we were supposed to... Uh-oh.
So, you took care of him, huh?
But boss!
At least we made him mortal.
Well, then we can still get rid of him.
When Herc got to Thebes, guess what he found?
All kinds of disasters were running around.
Herc wanted to put his new skills to the test.
But folks laughed in his face.
Well, they weren't impressed.
Extra, extra! Three-headed dog bites one-eyed man! Young man, we need a professional hero, not an amateur.
On the outskirts of town, more trouble was cooking.
2 boys had been trapped.
Well, that's how it was looking.
Herc went out to help, and the town was all eyes.
Ooh, boy, were they in for one real big surprise.
There you go.
Jeepers, mister. You're really strong.
Be more careful next time.
We sure will.
Phil! What do you call that?
Sir, Your Highness, anything it wants! Yikes! That monster is the Hydra. There's only one way to take it down. Help Herc knock out those heads by clicking on 2 that look exactly alike. When you're ready, choose level 1, 2, or 3. Level 1. Okay, let's take this monster on. Click on a head, then click on another head exactly like it. Good one. Now click on the head that looks exactly the same. He shoots! He scores! You're headed for the major leagues, kid. You're on a roll. You were brilliant. Definitely Zeus's kid. If you want a rematch, choose a level. Or click on the arrow to move on. Level 2. Yikes. Well, if you think you're ready, rookie, click on a head, then click on another head that is exactly like it. But be quick, because those heads move fast. Great shot. Good matching. All right, you're bad. Talk about your headache. Whoa. That's gotta hurt. You were brilliant. Definitely Zeus's kid. If you want a rematch, choose a level. Or click on the arrow to move on. If you're sure you want to move on, click the arrow again. You did it, kid! You won by a landslide!
Hades kept sending monsters.
Disasters would threaten you.
But Hercules stopped them without even sweating.
For the first time in years, the city had peace.
And Herc was the most famous person in Greece.
Click again to go to a sing-along. and a 1, and a 2. Cool singing! If you want to hear the song again, click on the stage. Or click the return arrow to go back where you came from. Return.
Now there's a hero! Basically, I discovered him.
Isn't he dreamy?
Oh, I got his autograph!
Extra, extra! Hercules wrestles Nemean lion!
Get your pagapitas!
Limited engagement, Hercapalooza!
We'll be having no more graffiti.
Thirsty?
Limited engagement, Pegasus Aerial Extravaganza!
But not everyone was happy for Hercules.
I can't believe this guy. What is it gonna take to get rid of him? Meg, my sweet, maybe we should try something new.
Why does we always mean me?
Meg visited Herc and made him go walking.
She looked for his weakness while Herc just kept talking.
She couldn't find any.
Her plan didn't work, but she found herself falling in love with Herc.
All my life I've felt like a freak, an outsider.
Sometimes it's better to be alone, then nobody can hurt you.
I would never hurt you.
All right, break it up. You're gonna get the work out of your life.
you think you're kidding? He's the earth and heaven to you.
So, Meg, what's the weak link in Wonder Boy's chain?
Get yourself another girl. I won't help you hurt him. Besides, he has no weakness.
No, I think he does, Meg. And I think it's you.
Hades came to see Herc as the planets aligned.
He had Meg in chains and a deal in mind.
If Herc gave up his strength for just one day,
Meg could go free. So Herc said, okay.
Hades unleashed the Titans.
To Olympus they went.
And to fight Herc on Earth, the Cyclops was sent.
Meg got hurt helping Herc, so Hades' deal was done.
Strong again, Herc flew to Olympus to save everyone.
Destroy Zeus! Crush him!
In Olympus, the battle was over and done.
The gods did their best.
But Hades' team won.
Only Herc could now rescue the gods from their fate.
He had to act fast. It was almost too late.
It's hero time! Help Herc up the mountain to save Zeus and all the gods. To start the game, just choose level 1, 2, or 3. Level 1. Good start. Boy, what a maze. You have to help Herc get up the mountain. The first thing to do is find your way to Poseidon. Move Herc around by clicking on the lava rock you want him to go to. Be careful, though. Herc can only move to another rock while those two rocks are touching. Watch out for that lava titan.
Destroy Zeus! Crush!
Destroy Zeus! Crush him! Destroy Zeus! Crush him!
You did it! You've saved Olympus. pretty heroic if you ask me. If you want to play again, just choose a level, or click on the arrow to continue the story. If you're sure you want to move on, click on the arrow again.
Thank you, my boy!
Yeah, thanks a ton, Wonder Boy. But at least I got one swell consolation prize. A friend of yours who's just dying to see me.
Meg!
Olympus was saved.
But Herc couldn't pause, because Hades had Meg in his creepy old claws.
Herc made a deal. If Hades let Meg go, Herc would take her place in the world below.
Going once, going twice.
Okay. You get her out, she goes, you stay. Forever. Huh? Mention my name. You'll get a doom with a view. Bada bing. You can't be alive. You'd have to be a
God!
Wait. Can we talk?
Herc risked it all to save the one he adored.
He was a hero for real, not just some hunk with a sword.
And since he proved he was good to the core, Herc returned to Olympus a god once more.
Mom, Dad, this is the moment I've always dreamed of. But I finally know that I belong on Earth with Meg.
You're a true hero. Son, you've earned your place in the stars. For a true hero isn't measured by the size of his strength, but by the strength of his heart.
Like a beacon in the cold dark night, a star is born. So that everything will turn out right. A star is born. And hit me with a hallelujah. The kid keeps shining through. Girl, sing the song. Come blow your horn. A star is born.
The end!
If you enjoyed watching this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I would very much appreciate it.
Or quit. Now, if you're sure you want to quit, click again. Quit. See you next time.
Bye. Come back soon.